All right, so here we have it for some smoked sausage poppers. We need cheese, some jalapenos, some cream cheese, and Italian sausage. And the rub that we're using, holy cow, let's get into it. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut these. Not all the way, just go a little bit down and then start cutting them. Not all the way through. You just want to open it like a butterfly cut, and then pretty much these are the little boats we're going to do. So you're going to open them like that. See, like a little canoe. What we have here is cream cheese. We're going to go ahead, it's like a block. We're going to cut a little piece and just kind of put it right in there. Spread it out a little bit. Like that. Now, we'll grab some jalapenos. Just pretty much just cut them in half. And set it right in there. Okay. We're going to add our cheese on top. We're going to add some of our holy cow right on top of it. All right, I'm going to do the same on the other 4, and we'll be back. What you could also do is add some of the rub when you put the cream cheese down. Like that, just a little bit. You can do that too. If you don't like it spicy, you can do them without any jalapenos. Just cheese and cream cheese. So I have 2 without them. Go ahead, add our seasoning, a rub. All right, now that you transfer them in the tray, we're going to put our Traeger grill at 300 degrees for 45 to an hour. So we'll be checking them within the half hour just to see where they're at, and then at 45 again to see if they're done or that we need to add that extra 15 minutes. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger grill is at 300 degrees. Go ahead, add it. We'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right, it's been 40 minutes and these are ready to come out. They look good. All right, so before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, let's go give this a cut and see how it looks. Oh, it smells really good. Look at that. All right, so we have the cream cheese all there, nice and melted. Our cheese melted, there's our jalapenos. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Am I gonna burn my mouth? Who knows? Wow. Ooh, that is really good. Definitely give this a try, guys. You guys will definitely love this. It's simple, it was quick. Once you guys like these videos, we'll see you guys next time.